creates anniversary PA Properties Happy Hatchet. PA Properties and Happy Hatchet Properties Corporation form a partnership built on trust, innovation, and a profound commitment to building communities.
Two cultures working together, hand in hand, to build homes, uplifting lives, and creating a lasting impact.
May we continue our pakikisa and pakikipagkapwa in the many more years to come, not only with each other in our companies, but more importantly, may these attributes translate in how we deal with the people we serve with each housing unit we deliver. The Filipino family.
Maligayang anibersaryo, 8 taong kayo ang aming panggawarang tahanan.